This morning, we are waking up to a heat advisory for all of Southwest Florida from noon until 6. And that is because once again today, we're expecting those feels-like temperatures to be between 105 and 110. Actual air temperature will be between 93 and 95. And this is what that heat index looks like later on today. Very unsafe outside for prolonged periods of time in the peak afternoon hours. Try to find some shade, drink plenty of water, and if you can, stay indoors at least until it starts to cool off later on this evening. We're not going to have a lot of rainfall to cool us off, as our rain chance the lowest today and tomorrow, as it will be in the entire 7-day forecast. And early this morning, we had a few showers move across 41 and 75, and then most of that rain moved out over the Gulf of Mexico. So we are dry, but later on today, we can't rule out the chance of a shower, maybe a rumble of thunder here near the interstate at lunchtime. Those showers and storms will quickly get a push inland thanks to that southwesterly wind, and it will be Fort Pierce, Stewart, all the way down towards Fort Lauderdale that gets the brunt of the wet weather later on today. Let's talk about what it feels like outside right now. Very sticky, very warm temperatures in the low 80s to upper 70s. We should be down around 74 on average. And of course, our dew point values are high. I mentioned the low rain chances. Wednesday, Thursday, we start to transition to more of a stormy pattern. And by the time we get towards Saturday and Sunday, it'll be between 70 and 80%. So the driest part of the week will be the early part of this week, as many of you head back to work for the first time after the 4th holiday. Looking ahead towards tomorrow, you can see we're dry through lunch, and in the afternoon, the showers and storms will be inland. So we're looking at Highlands, Glades, and Hendry County, while the coastline remains dry. All right, let's dive into Hurricane Beryl as it moves inland on the coastline of Texas. It made landfall as a Category 1 hurricane early this morning near Matagorda, Texas, and now the eye of that storm is continuing to move north of Bay City. And you can see Houston at the top of the screen, where weather conditions are really going downhill as they're in one of those more formidable rain bands that stretches from Galveston all the way towards the downtown Houston area, with the eye of the hurricane sitting off to the southwest. So this is a fairly small hurricane. Hurricane force winds extend out about 45 miles from center. And once this storm continues to weaken here today, it will eventually bring rain across Arkansas, Missouri, as it will pick up speed. Right now it's north at 12, and you can see the forecast path here will take it into parts of Indiana and Ohio here for the middle parts of the week, get absorbed in an old frontal boundary, and this will be a rainmaker for the Midwest and even the Northeast. As far as well, what else is out there in the tropics? Nothing that we're monitoring right now for development over the next 7 days, and we'll take a nice quiet break. Over the next 7 days here, rain chances go up, temperatures stay 90 or above all the way through the upcoming weekend. Wednesday we'll see a little more cloud cover. That should keep our temperatures in check right around 90 degrees.